Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero. This video is from our Path to Fluency course, with over 60 videos of useful tips and resources to help advanced students reach actual fluency. For more information, visit our website at ChineseZeroToHero.com. Enjoy this video.
Online courses, like the one you're taking right now, are also gaining popularity in China. If you're interested in the particular subject, what's better than taking an online course to delve deeper into the subject? In our previous lectures, we mentioned sites like 腾讯视频, Youku, 爱奇艺, and Bilibili. Some of these sites have online lectures as well. But there are also some sites that are dedicated to online learning. So let's go over some popular online learning platforms in China. Zhongguo Daxue Muke is a popular online learning platform created by Wangyi in partnership with educational institutes across China. It offers e-learning content from many of the most prestigious universities in China, and all the content is for free. For instance, if you're interested in the Sanxingdui culture, just search for Sanxingdui, and you'll come across 3 courses that deal with this very specific topic. Just sign up and start learning. You can think of Wangyi Yun Ketang as the premium version of 中国大学慕课. They cover almost any topic you can think of, from career development to science, from art to languages, from family planning to dealing with mood disorders. Although there are free courses like this photography course, most courses are paid. Some quite expensive and make Chinese Zero to Hero's pricing pale in comparison. They also give you the option to become a paid VIP member, but the benefit of the membership is only limited to certain contents. Huco Wang is more tailored toward an IT and design crowd, teaching many of the popular creative and productivity applications. Here, you can learn how to create fonts, how to shoot videos, and how to draw or paint. You can also study video production, 3D animation, user interface design, and web development. It's becoming the lynda.com for China. However, most of the content are user contributed, so the production quality can vary. You can watch 1 video per day for free. VIP access to all content costs 399 renminbi per year. Wangluo Kongzi Xueyuan, or Confucius Institute Online, is Confucius Institute's online division that provides e-learning materials that cover not only Chinese language, but also Chinese art, history, and culture. Much like Coursera, most of the courses are free to audit, with the option of applying for a certificate. However, as with all Confucius Institute's websites, it's slow and prone to outage. So here are some options for taking online courses in China. Try them out, and I'll see you in the next video.